Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 13 of this building. Let's get started. So now, let's prepare and get ready to group all this for the level 3. So let's go to level 3 again and make sure to save it. And then here, before we do that, let's add some partition right here. And you want to make sure you don't have any underlay so that when we copy this, nothing else will be copied aside from what are we have here. So now let's go level 3, and then we're going to add in, I think just a curtain will be good enough, or even an exterior glazing. So here we could just add in a glazing right there. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it just needs to um, create a partition. So base offset, nothing, but top offset, let's change this to negative 1500. So let's see. I think that's too small. Maybe we should change that higher. So negative 500. So that's good. So negative 500 is perfect. And then we're going to maintain that. So here, select that, CS, create similar. And the reason for that, so that we don't need to keep on changing those. So this is one room. So we just need to create this right there. This is, but this will be one bedroom right here. We still need to partition this so that we have some privacy here inside the room. So there, add that. We're gonna extend that later on. Add that. Add this. And add that. Okay, so that looks nice. Everything is partitioned. Now what we can do is add in the door. So go to insert, load family, and go back to the main and look for doors. And this will be curtain wall door. So this one, the single one, will be good. Open. And now we need to go and change the panels to a door. So we need to find, so let's go to level 3, and then we need to remember where to put it. Obviously we're gonna put it individually right here and here as well, and then later on for the base. So now let's go and add. So we're gonna add it from our 3D, and then here select by keeping tab and then selecting it, you need to unpin so that you could change this. It doesn't show, you need to click on find so that it will show. Here again, we need to add. So right now, we're just gonna keep on adding curtain wall door, and then we're gonna change the orientation later on when we see the floor plan. So I'm just adding one door. Click on that. Click here. And then curtain wall door. And then, okay, door again right here. And then lastly, this one. Door. And then click one here so that we don't go around. You need to unpin it. And then click one here so that we could orbit on that point. Unpin again and change it. Here, unpin, and then change it. Select here, rotate, unpin, and select that. So I think we're good. We could now go to our level 3 again and change the orientation. So you need to select the door, change the orientation, select that, flip it, select this, flip, so keep on flipping it. Here it's already flipped from the inside, but let's change that so that the hinge, the way it opens, is the other way around. So that's perfect. And then later on, we're gonna add in more design to that. So I think we're ready to copy everything. So here, let's go and select everything. And you wanna make sure that you don't select anything from below, similar to the one that I'm doing. So I'm unchecking this one. So let me do it again. So this one got selected, but this one has been highlighted as well. Okay, so now we could now click on copy first, copy clipboard, but we could just group it, create group. This will be group 1, detailed 1, whatever. You can just change it if you want, but I'm just gonna leave the name. So now everything is ready. And then this is model group number 1. I'm gonna select that, then paste to selected levels. Obviously floor 4 up to floor 35. So you need to select level 4 first, scroll down, hold on shift, and then click on level 35 to select everything. Press OK, and it will be pasting the element to each floor. It will take a while, but we just need to be patient. So that took about 5 minutes. So now let's see what we've come to. So now this is the 3D, and we were able to copy it to up to 35 floor. And then here, let's change that so that everything, or we could see everything, consistent color. That looks nice. We just need to create the top. We could add in more at the top there, top level. And that looks very nice, the way it comes up. Obviously, we could add in more design here, specifically on this part where the corners are. And we could add in more to make it more beautiful. So now what we could do is we could even create something here, a metal covering. And like I said, if you create a group, if you change something on the first on one group, it will change on everything. So that way it's easier for us to change. That's why it took us longer to finish the level 3, because we're doing it everything for all the floors that we created. So at least we started this, and we just need to finish it later on. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.